This is just a quick example of what a 72-hour bag or maybe a truck bag could be like. This is my truck bag. This is the Condor Orion. It's a 50-liter pack, and I'll just give you a quick overview of what I have in it as of now. It's set up more for fall/winter. The outside, there's just some cheap plastic carabiners if I need to hook something up to the molly system over here. Water bottle, let's just get rid of that. On the outside pouch here, I got a gas bottle. In the other pouch, I have binoculars and I have some sunglasses. Now, if you take these off, I have a Leatherman OHT, a Black Fox Tactical Trackmaster knife, really like it, and some scissors. Let's dissect this some more. If we open the first compartment, now this opening is a bit snug, and there's a good reason for it. In here I have a gas stove, some emergency ration. I also have a couple of dry tech. This is freeze-dried food. I have a couple of those in there. I have a compass, and of course your medical kit. Now this bag, and I also have solar panels in there. Now this pack is a bit special, because if I don't want to carry the whole pack, or if I have to go really fast, you can unzip it. And this outside pouch becomes a backpack of its own. And we go into the big compartment, which zips open like this. In this compartment I have spare batteries, I have a head torch, and I have lots and lots of 550 paracord. In this compartment I carry a life straw, water purification. I have a branch saw, and I also carry light sticks. Now obviously these are good for signaling, but also if you have a couple of mates with you and it gets dark, you can always crack these and hang them on the backpack so you don't lose sight of each other. In this, the main compartment, let's take this off. Right now I have a tent in it. Obviously you don't need to. You can sort it out for something like a tarp, like this. You can save you tons of space, but I don't carry too much stuff in this bag anyways. Or if you want to go lighter, you can even carry like a hammock. Obviously I have some more food. I have a neck warmer, a beanie, and a shamag. So not too much stuff in this, but I have what I need in it. And if you try to flip this bag over, obviously this has a drinking system. There's a 2.5 liter bladder inside here, and on this I carry just a regular GPS. This is the E-Trax. So that's it. That's what it can look like.